Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a hair mask and telling you the benefits of the hair mask. And it's the aka Cardi B hair mask. I use all the ingredients she used in her mask, and I will let you know the results and the benefits from it. So stay tuned. So here's my hair. For my birthday, I wore a high ponytail, a long high ponytail, and I washed my hair and conditioned it and everything, but I put hecka gel in it. So before you start your mask, you want to do it on clean hair. So wash your hair before you apply this mask, because it is a conditioning mask, and you want to make sure that your hair is shampooed first. And you can see it's a buildup of gel everywhere. So first, let's get started on the mask. I use 2 eggs, which is a nutrient-rich superfood with vitamin A and E, and it's good for thick, healthy, sleek hair. Then the avocado. And avocado, I use 2 of them. It's a great source of biotin B complex, and it will make your hair, it seals the cuticles, and it adds a shine. All these ingredients will add shine to your hair. And then the banana, here's what I need is the banana, because the banana contains a silica that helps make collagen, and with collagen, it'll make your hair stronger and thicker, and it also helps with dandruff. And my hair, because it's been color treated, it's been so weak, and when I detangle, clumps of hair come out. And then the honey is great. It's a great hair moisturizer, and it adds shine, and it will restore the natural luster of your hair. And then all the oils just seals the cuticles. And then I wanted to add a little conditioner in it because I just wanted the texture to be right. So I added a little of my favorite conditioner. So here's my hair. I'm showing you again. My hair has been weak, and I just want it to be stronger. So that banana is really going to help it. So I use my favorite shampoo, and now I'm just going to part my hair so I can get like an even coat of this hair mask, or a deep conditioner, whatever you want to call it. It's really a deep conditioner because that's what I need. My hair just looks so frail and fragile, and I've been losing so much hair. So I said, let me try something different. So here's the conditioner. I'm going to use my little applicator, and I'm just going to apply it like I'm applying like hair color or relaxer or something like that. Just be very careful because it can get messy, and just make sure you saturate every strand of hair because you want to get the best results out of this. So I'm just going to start going around the perimeter of my hair. Then I'm going to take bigger sections, and then I'm just going to apply from the roots to the tip. Now that my hair is completely saturated, I am going to let it sit for about 35 to 45 minutes. And if you want to sit under a heated dryer, go ahead and do that. It will be a good deep condition for your hair. Just whatever you do, do it for about 35 to 45 minutes. I believe if you sit under the dryer, it's about 20 minutes. Here's my hair all rinsed out. Look at those curls popping. Popping curls. My hair, I don't expect them to be popping because like I said, my hair has been looser curls because of the color that I put in it over the past year. But yes, and I would say after you rinse out this conditioner, make sure you wash your hair again. And right here, I'm just showing you how strong my hair is, how I'm combing it, and no hair is coming out in the comb. If I would have done this before this deep condition, the comb would have been full of hair. But like I said, wash your hair again because I do have some of that conditioner in it. And my hair does smell like egg still, even after I blow dried and combed it and all that stuff. So make sure you use your favorite conditioners and styling products, whatever you want to do. Go ahead and style your hair the way you want. But this is, look at my hair. Look at the shine. Look how bouncy it is. Look how healthy it looks. This conditioner, this homemade conditioner, everything that's in this conditioner you can find in your fridge or in your pantry. It is the bomb. Look at this. I will recommend this to anyone. Like I said, my hair is color treated, so I will probably add this to my regimen at least once a month. And before you know it, I feel like my curls would be popping again. And I probably won't color my hair anymore. I get grays in the front, so I'll just, instead of coloring my whole head, I'll just stick to the front part where my grays are, so my hair won't be damaged as much. But I thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video, go ahead and do it. Share, all that good stuff. I thank you for watching. Try this mask out and let me know how you feel. And I know it's an old school mask. A lot of people been doing it. My mama used to do it. I forgot to add the mayo in mine. But the mayo is like eggs and oil, olive oil. So you can, like I said, you can tweak this any way you want for your hair needs. I feel like this combination that I did, especially with those bananas, I might add one more banana the next time I do it. But it's great. I thank you guys for watching and have a good day.